everyone, it's me, Shanelly. Today I'm going to be learning about oxygen and I'm going to be doing a science experiment. You will need a jug of water, a container, a glass. It's best to have one straight, 2 coins, a marker, and a candle. And you might also want to need an adult to help you out. Step 1. This part is for an adult. They are going to light the candle up for you and make it stick with the container together. Add 2 coins closer to the candle. The coins will hold the cup in the water. Step 2. Pour the water to cover the coins. The next step is to cover it. Once the candle extinguishes, water from the container rises into the glass. The last step is to mark how much water rose into the cup. As you can see, this is how much it rose. Fill the glass with water to the top. Then use a measuring cup to measure how much water there is. Then use the measuring cup to get it up to the mark. To the top of the cup is 330 milliliters, and to my mark it is 265 milliliters. To calculate the difference, it comes to 65 milliliters. So this means that 1/5 of our air is oxygen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to keep safe in your bubble.